Other than that, I also noticed that with the props, there is a little bit of give, which could be what the vibration was, if it wasn't the transmissing. So I'm going to go down there, I'm going to wiggle the props to where you hear what I'm hearing,